going to tell you how to do laser eyes. Example. Alright, let's start. Get your clip ready. Now go to shape and pick circle. Choose any color. Add HSL. Add keyframe at start and at theme. Start 0 and 100. Add Gaussian blur. Intensity 100. Adjust scale and position so it will fit the eye. Go to blend and pick overlay. Duplicate the circle and adjust it to the other eye. And you are done! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss my tutorials.